Model, 63-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Sportive 2.0 LWB Factory Crew Cab Silver No Vat. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 137504. MOT, the 23rd of March 2026. Engine, 1995 CCM9R 115 bhp, EUR05B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, starts and drives exactly as it should. Loads of MOT, nice clean factory-fitted crew cab ready to get in and go anywhere, absolute bargain with no VAT to pay, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest van. Features, aircon, electric windows, roof rack, alloy wheels. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.